Hey, what's up guys? Today we have the Galaxy S10E and we're going to show you how to do a factory reset through the recovery menu. Please note, as a disclaimer, this process will wipe your phone of all data, apps, accounts, settings, and also potentially your personal files within the internal storage. This process also works for the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, as well as the upcoming Galaxy Note 10. Alright, so let's begin. This process is only useful for those who are locked out of their own devices. It does happen, while quite rare now, to forget your little pattern unlock or other lock screen passwords that you set up. And if you have not set up any sort of biometrics such as fingerprint or eye scanner, then you may be out of luck. So with this Galaxy S10, we see that we are locked out of the lock screen. So from here, we need to actually perform a reset, and it won't let you do so even if you try to hold the power button regularly and click power off or restart. It's going to still ask you for that lock screen to authorize this device to restart. So how do we get around this? Click and hold volume down and power button at the same time. The volume down and the power button at the same time, and just keep holding that for more than 10 seconds or until the screen goes black. As soon as the screen turns black, it means that the phone rebooted. Here we need to immediately click and hold volume up, Bixby button, and the power button at the same time. Volume up, Bixby button, and the power button. Once that is done, you are now in the recovery mode. Use the volume keys to go up and down and the power key to select. Using the volume key, go down to Wipe Cache Partition and select it with your power button. Next, using the power button and the volume keys, go down to Wipe Data Factory Reset and select Yes. Once this factory reset is complete, your phone is wiped. Use the power key to select Reboot System now. So congratulations, this is the end of the process and your phone should now be able to be set up as you would normally set it up previously. Please note that during the setup process, if it's asking for your Google account or your Samsung account, just input that as you normally would, as previously used, in order for you to gain access again to this phone. If you cannot, you may require our FRP reset or FRP services within our description below, and that is also available at Cellunlocker.net. And that's basically everything. For any questions in regards to our website or with the unlock code, we have information in the description link below, and also place a comment and we'll be quick to answer your questions as soon as possible. Well, this concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful, hit us a like and perhaps consider subscribing for more future videos and content such as these. Until next time, have a great day guys. Bye.